Hello, planner friends. My name is Sarah, and I love to plan. And today I have for y'all my plans for the month of October using this super cute witchy foiled kit by Sticker Guru. I have a whole haul of like 13 months of these sticker kits, so definitely take a look in the video up here. And today I will be doing all of my October planning, from the monthly overview page, reflections, my action plan, everything. And I just want to show you, like, throughout the year, I've been pretty good about planning. I've really been keeping up. And then come July, like, I moved houses and it's been chaotic. Like, a new job, a new house. My August action plan page, like, empty. Like, I didn't even fill it out. I'll be very honest, it's a little bit unsatisfying. Like, I don't like to see blank pages or half blank pages, but there are just times that you cannot sit down to plan, and it's a little bit like difficult, because for me, planning really helps me get into like a very positive mindset. It helps me relax, and not doing so like makes me a little bit anxious, but at the same time, like, if there's no time. But here now in October, I am so excited because I got a chance to just sit down one weekend before October started and to be able to do all of my planning. So it feels good. Let me know in the comments. Do you have any goals? Anything you want to accomplish for October? I have a lot. I am going to start right now with my reflections page. I usually use like leftover sticker kits. Like, this is my September sticker kit by Kylie Designs, and I was actually going to use it, but at the last minute, I kind of changed my mind. I also use these like month stickers by Kylie Designs, and whatever I put in my overview page, like, I reflect upon it. I use it to plan my month. Like, everything is all tied to each other. It's all a part of how I set myself up for that month. So it feels really good to just get everything on paper, get all of my thoughts here, and to find what I need to focus on. Now I'm going to show y'all the sticker kit that I'll be using. Their foils are spectacularly flawless, just like they say, flawless foils. And this deco, oh my gosh, it gives all the witchy vibes without those like traditional Halloween colors. So I love them so much, and it has like a lot of functional boxes. That's something that I love about their kits, that you get a lot of functional elements, but it's also very deco. It's a little early, I know. October just started, but I already gave myself like a Halloween manicure with my Maniology stamping kit. I'm going to get started with the reflections page. Again, like, I have some months left over because I didn't do all of my reflections pages until now. And September, I feel, was like such an important stepping stone month this year. Like, there was a lot that I achieved, and there's a lot of like different life plans, different processes that my husband and I came up with for our household. And then I'm going to be using this cottage journaling kit by Cactus Paper Co., which I don't normally use a full kit for this, but as I mentioned, September was such an important month for me, so I thought it really required like a full kit. And if you do want to pick up some Cactus Paper Co. kits, let me tell you, like, she holds a bunch of sales, like 40, 60%, like flash sales. Follow me on Instagram so I can share the sales. I'm part of her PR team. You can use my code Sarah's Planner if you want to get anything from her and get a special freebie. This a page. I loved how it turned out, and you'll be able to see in a short, like the full process. I wanted to use some purple ink because I was really feeling the purple in this. Now we're going to move on to my monthly overview page, which I am obsessed with. Like, when the whole year is done, this is like the page in my planner I'm mostly proud of. And I love using these Lexi Kylie designs, like frosted minimalist icons. I've rebought them several times, and now I even ventured into getting more designs. So that was exciting. Like, I'm going to use the ones that are already almost out. I love how this page helps keep different parts of my life organized and things I need to focus on. Speaking of focusing, here are my focused markers by Erin Condren. I use the 0.6 tip for like the headings, and then I use the lighter 0.2 tips for whatever I am writing in, and it creates a very beautiful effect and keeps everything, I feel like, very clean and organized. So this is how it turned out, and again, I'll use this for anything I need to write down in the month, my goals, anything that I want to achieve or focus on. Now, I am going to do my monthly, and while I am doing this, I just wanted to share, like, just ask you, what are you going to dress up as? Do you celebrate Halloween? What do you do? I am planning to have a Halloween party with my friends, and we're just going to like have a Halloween contest together just on our own. So I'm really excited about that. Although like my costume is going to be very simple this year. Like I have a black cape, and I'm just gonna buy a black dress like a witch. I really wanted to go simple this year because I've bought like costumes that I only use once, and I feel like it's such a waste. So I'm just going to use something that I can repurpose. But I'm like really excited. Like, I love Halloween. My favorite Halloween movies are Hocus Pocus, Beetlejuice, and Halloween Town. I would say Beetlejuice is number one. I love Beetlejuice so much because it's just become a tradition. Like, I don't know if y'all millennials remember this, but they used to play Beetlejuice like nonstop on the Disney Channel when we were young, along with like Halloween Town and Hocus Pocus. So it was kind of like the repertoire. So it just kind of became embedded in my veins, like a child with a TV in her room with access to the Disney Channel late at night. What else do you do, right? So lately it's kind of become my tradition where I watch them every single year. Well, especially Beetlejuice. We'll watch it like right on Halloween night, or we'll watch it like a couple of times during October. Actually, my husband came to love it a lot, also because of me and the Maitland's love story. Like, their Maitland's relationship just kind of reminds me of us, and my husband and I don't know why. It's just like their love story just really resonates with me, and I love it. Plus the soundtrack, all the calypso, it sticks to your head. Now I'm going to use my Sakura micro perm pen. These stickers are like a vinyl sticker, so you can't just write on them with any pen. You really have to just use a permanent marker, which is this micro perm recommended by Sticker Guru. this is how it turned out. This is what I have left over. I feel like during the month I'll be adding a little bit more, but for the most part, this is it. Like, I know that this month I'll kind of be staying home and like really working a lot on my businesses, but at the same time we're going to be doing a lot of Halloween activities, so that's coming up. I'll definitely update you. Now, moving on to my action plan for October. I have these Erin Condren monthly sticker books. They're my absolute favorite for my action plan. And then my favorite, these Cool for School books, have these icon stickers that are perfect for my goal pages, like my goal setting. I don't know why I've been doing that for a couple of years, and I have a bunch of these because I just love the month stickers at the top, so I usually use those up right away and have a whole bunch of stickers left over. I'm going to have to find a way to use all of these, so I've been putting them like on my monthly calendar and my action plan. It's just that for my action plan, like it's so perfect. It has all the perfect stickers. Like the big box sticker at the top is what I'm looking forward to. Each flag sticker represents something, like a different goal. And then I'm using my Pilot G2 pen to fill this out, and my Papermate Flare for kind of like the headers, my medium tip. So I really like the effect. I really like the purple on the orange, which kind of came with the sticker kits. And these parts are so colorful and they just make me so happy. I'm going to move on to my other monthly dashboard, which this one I tried to like cover up the flowers at the top, and I used like the stickers for different like checklists. I loved how it turned out. The top there is currently what I'm doing, goals, what I'm going to buy, and memories. And again, like those icon stickers represent different goals, like 4 different goals for the month. I absolutely adore how this turned out. And this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more planning, organization content. Watch this video next. See you next time. Bye.